Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Door Latch part #WD01X29878. GE Door Latch part #WD01X29878 is a replacement part for GE dishwashers. It is used to secure the dishwasher door in place when it is closed. The latch is made of plastic and metal and has two parts, the latch itself and the strike plate. The latch has two tabs that fit into the strike plate, which is mounted on the dishwasher frame. When the door is closed, the tabs fit into the strike plate and hold it in place. This prevents the door from opening unexpectedly while in use. The latch also helps to keep water from leaking out of the dishwasher when This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a broken or damaged door latch on a GE dishwasher. It can fix symptoms such as the dishwasher not closing properly, the door not latching securely, or the door not staying closed. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the existing door latch. This can be done by unscrewing the two screws that hold the latch in place. 2. Once the screws are removed, carefully pull out the old latch and set it aside. 3. Take the new GE Door Latch part #WD01X29878 and align it with the holes in the door frame where the old latch was located. 4. Securely fasten the new latch in place using the two screws that were removed from the old latch. 5. Test to make sure that the new latch is securely in place and functioning properly before closing up your door frame. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.